Today we're going to look at what causes ridges in finger and toenails. Vertical ridges sometimes appear along the length of fingernails. Sometimes marks, discoloration or pits or grooves in a fingernail, such as those that run from side to side, these are known as Bowes lines, can be an indication of a nail injury or a health problem. However, in the case of vertical ridges, there is normally no reason to be concerned. These ridges look and feel like raised lines, and they run from the cuticle at the base of the fingernail to the tip. These ridges are not usually a sign of injury or a health problem, but are harmless and they're usually caused by aging. They often become more prominent or numerous as you get older. However, if the vertical ridges are accompanied by brittle nails with jagged edges or splitting, you may have a condition known as onychorexis, which is basically brittle nails, which may be linked to a skin-related medical condition such as lichen planus, a type of non-infectious skin rash, or certain other health conditions such as anemia or an underactive thyroid gland. Also, if the ridges run horizontally from side to side, they may indicate a health problem, so you should seek out medical advice from your doctor if this is the case. I hope that's cleared up what causes ridges in fingernails and toenails, and as you're aware now, in most cases it's perfectly harmless, and it just occurs because you're getting older. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up.